Hey guys, what's up?
It's not for me to say you love.
So, it's 6 p.m. right now and I'm planning to fix my room kasi as you all know, we are in quarantine mode. So, I'm going to be staying here for 3 more weeks. Tapos after nun, if hindi ma-extend, hopefully hindi ma-extend, I'm going back to Manila to study. And mostly kasi kapag nasa Manila ako, hindi ako nakaka-uwi. Madala akong makauwi kasi madaming ginagawa. At saka hindi ako nakaka-aral dito. That's why I usually just stay sa dorm. But right now, I just plan to fix my shelves. At saka kasi marami kasing mga gamit dito ngayon, including my sister's stuff kasi recently nag-move out siya dun sa dati niyang dorm. So, yung mga gamit niya, ito niya nilagay sa kwarto ko kasi naki-out na siya sa kwarto niya dahil ang nag-occupy na ng kwarto niya ay yung lola namin. Start cleaning my room. I'm going to show you how messy it actually is para intindihan niyo ako. Charot. Tara yun. This shelf is really very old na pero ayan. Medyo maayos pa sa mga top shelves pero dun sa dulo. Girl, sobrang daming stuff na hindi rin naman akin lahat. And then, I have my bottom shelf. Puro sapatos and all. Tapos sira pa yun. Look at that one. Sira. And then, what else? Ayan, nakakakalat. Ayan. I'm going to change yung beddings and yung cover. Although, kakapalit ko lang sa kanya 2 weeks ago. Which is, Basta kakapalit ko lang sa kanya. Hindi, tama lang pala.
Nakakatakan siya kasi ito naman yung bisita, tapos lagi di pumupunta yung baby, yung pinsan ko. So, ayan, medyo makalat, tapos ang bulong, ang hirap. Basta, madumi na siya. Madumi na siya. Okay.
Before anything else, we have to press play. Yeah.
I ain't interested in being a pretty name on your list. I got dreams and aspirations for pretty. Oh, just think you got me singing. Can't believe I want to see you never. Wait a minute, my head's a mess. Please don't tell me you like that dress.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
Instead of continuing with the shelves, I'm going to start with the beddings na. I'm going to change them kasi I don't want to sleep in my old beddings kasi medyo madumi na rin siya. Tsaka nakapag-collect siya ng dust while I was cleaning my shelves. So, ayun, I'm just going to continue with these tomorrow. Then, after kong i-change yung beddings, I'm going to take a bath or I'm going to wash up kasi ayoko naman ng pawisan ako tapos matutulog ako sa bagong clean ko na bed. And I also got to wipe my shoe rack at saka I also wiped the shelves. Basta yun, I'm going to do the rest of these tomorrow.
go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. Go not for me to say you love.
Tomorrow.
Guys, it is day 2 of my cleaning day. And it is currently 5 p.m. I know hindi ako nag-film kanina kasi wala naman akong ginawa. Tsaka late din ako nagising. Tsaka tumambay din ako with my mom. Nanood kami ng Harry Potter. But I'm going to continue with the cleaning, with organizing the shelves, tsaka yung sa part na yun ng room ko. And yeah. Before all that, I'm going to work out muna para matapos ko na siya kasi kapag hindi ko pa ginawa yun, tatama rin ako mamaya. So, ayan.
Tomorrow for sure.
Go with the brothers who you know how we do. Go with the brothers who you know how we do. It's not for me to say.
Today is August 7, 2020, and it has been 5 months since I first started to film this video. But I still wanted to end it ng mas maayos kasi I never did get to finish that video. So, ayun, I just still wanted to update you as to how my cleaning up went. A lot has changed since then, and obviously, part doon ay ang aking hair. And I'm going to be posting a video about this too kasi hindi pa rin to tapos. But yeah, a lot has changed. I moved out of my dorm. Mas marami din mga naganap sa ating bansa, sa mundo. But yeah, medyo mas dumami yung gamit ko, but it's a little bit more clean. I mean, less messy compared to the first part of this video. And I have more stuff, as you can see. And this is, by the way, this is my artwork. I am planning to sell this on my Instagram account. It's at Nagumi Art in my online craft store because I'm planning to sell tote bags like these, hand painted, by the way. And this is my own design. Check out my Instagram at Nagumi Art. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Ayan lang yung mga naganap. Nag-iba lang yung orientation ng aking bed. And syempre yung beddings. And also yung mga furniture and all that. Tas medyo makalat pa rin kasi nga I moved out of my dorm. So medyo dumami yung gamit ko. And I still have a lot of decluttering to do. So yeah. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Kaya ko lang talaga ito ginawa at pinost pa rin dahil I still wanted to be productive. So, ayun. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting me as always. And anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I hope we become more productive in the following days. Ayun, because, ewan ko ba, sobrang stressful ng mga araw ngayon dahil ang gloomy din kasi I am not a rainy day person. Talagang ayoko ng mga gloomy weather. Mas gusto ko yung mga sunny days. So, it hasn't been treating me well. So, ayun. Thank you guys so much. Bye!